Hello, my name is Aniket Kumar, and I am very happy to share that I have been selected in Team Computers Private Limited for the Gurgaon location with a package of 2.53 LPA. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Avizon Technosoft for their continuous support and guidance throughout my journey. When I joined, I wanted to improve my technical knowledge, communication skills, and interview confidence, and Avizon helped me a lot in achieving that. A special thanks to Ganesh sir, Prince and Prasanjit sir for their constant motivation, valuable guidance, and interview preparation support. They were always there to clear my doubts and help me understand the concepts in a better way. Their mentorship played a very important role in helping me crack the interview and secure this opportunity. I am really thankful to the entire Avizon team for their efforts and support. This achievement is an important step in my career, and I am excited to start my professional journey with Team Computers Private Limited. Thank you once again to the Avizon team. Thank you.